Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. First of all, I wish you Happy New Year to all of you. So, student, let's start with chapter number 25. We have completed the book exercises of the chapter and we are doing question answer of the chapter number 25. Two questions. Question number C, open page number 140. Open page number 140. We have already completed question number 1. Why was Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched by the government? And question number 2, what does the United Nations do? So these two questions we have already completed. Now student, let's start with question number 3. Why was Van Mahotsav started? Question number 3. Question number C we are doing. Answer the following. Question number 3. So what is question number 3? Question number 3 is, why was Van Mahotsav started? Why was Van Mahotsav started? Let's discuss this answer and after that you note down this answer from the board. See student, why Van Mahotsav started? This festival we have started to tell the importance of trees in our life. As we know that the gas which is our living gas, that is oxygen, and we are getting this oxygen from the trees, and trees are the only producer. They can prepare their own food. So, and our life is totally depend upon the natural resources which are present in the nature, and there are many other importance of trees also. We get wood, and this wood is used for making the furnitures or in the construction work also. In many things we use the wood of the trees, and we get this wood by cutting the trees. Even there are many medicinal plants also. Even we wear cotton clothes, so this cotton also we are getting from the plants, and plants are only producer. So we all are directly or indirectly, we are totally depend on plants for the food, and these plants are These trees are natural homes for the wild animals also. The tree clean the air also. So student, there are many importance of trees in our life, and due to human activities we have cut many trees, because due to the increase of the population, demand of the food is also increase, and human being cuts a lot of trees to make land free for the cultivation also. And now in present time, due to the development of science and technology, lot of things we have invented to make our life more and more comfortable. So by doing all these things, by our activities, we are destroying our planet Earth also. Due to these activities, we must understand the importance of trees in our life. And this cutting of tree is known as deforestation. जो हम पेड़ों को काटते हैं बेटा, इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिफॉरेस्टेशन. तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन इतना ज़्यादा किसकी वजह से हुआ? ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ की वजह से. बिकॉज वी हैव, due to our activities, we have done deforestation. So every year we celebrate Van Mahotsav day, so that the people are aware of with the importance of trees in our life. So note down the answer. Van Mahotsav was started. Van Mahotsav was started to protect trees and highlight the importance of forest and their advantages. And the ways to maintain them. Okay, because student, These plants are very important for us. Without this, life is not possible. So, by doing this, we aware the peoples about the importance of the trees in our life. So, Van Mahotsav was started to protect trees and highlight the importance of forest and their advantages and the ways to maintain them. So you can take a screenshot also. Okay, now chapter number 25 is completed. Now let's start with chapter number 6. So all of you open page number 44. So today we start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6. Okay, and name of the chapter is natural calamities. So student, chapter number 6 and name of the chapter is natural calamities. So what are the things which we'll study in this chapter? That is what are the learning objective of this chapter, how natural calamities occur, and second is what are the reason for their occurrence, and point number 3, what action to be taken at the time of these natural calamities. So student, first of all, note down what is natural calamity. See student, the things which are not in human control, that are known as natural calamities. The things which are not in human control. So natural calamity is an event that occurs naturally and is not in human in control of humans. A natural calamity is an event that occurs naturally and it is not in control of human. Okay student, this is not in our control. So what is this? A sudden change in the surroundings. ठीक है, which cause damage, sudden change in our surroundings. Okay, so place where we are living, so sudden change in our surroundings which cause damage to human beings also and even the property of the human beings. So that is known as natural calamities. जो हमारे अगल बगल जो सराउंडिंग्स है, सराउंडिंग्स में बहुत सी चीजें हैं, ठीक है, तो ये हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम इसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप लोग टीवी भी देखते होंगे, चैनल्स भी देखते होंगे, उसमें व्हेन यू आर सीइंग द वेदर कंडीशन, सो इन दैट इट इज, उसमें क्या वार्निंग दी जाती है, हाँ आज यहाँ पे बहुत बारिश होगी या बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ने वाली है. अब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ने वाली है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इफ इट इज रेनिंग, बारिश हो रही है, तो क्या आप इतना बड़ा आप कहीं से अम्ब्रेला ला सकते हो कि इसके वाटर को स्टॉप कर दो? सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बाई अस. ओके, एंड सो व्हाट आर some of the natural calamities like flood है, drought है, earthquake and tsunami. earthquake means shaking of the land. अभी all we will discuss one by one, हम इसे सारा डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप यू नोट डाउन द ओनली नेम्स ऑफ द नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज. So these are the names of the natural calamities which are not in our control. ये ह्यूमन बींग्स के कंट्रोल में नहीं है, हम इन्हें नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते. इज इट क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट स्टार्ट विद द फ्लड. ठीक है, when due to excess of rainfall, ठीक है, due to excess of rainfall, when the water from the rivers come out and it submerged the land area, such situation is known as flood. जब बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है और रिवर का वाटर रिवर से बाहर निकल के जो अगल बगल का जो लैंड होता है सब उसमें डूब जाता है. सबमर्ज मीन्स सब उसमें डूब जाना. तो इस कंडीशन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? दिस कंडीशन और दिस सिचुएशन इज नोन एज फ्लड. इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फ्लड्स बोलते हैं. हिंदी में से बोलते हैं बाढ़ आना. ठीक है, व्हेन देयर इज एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर, और स्पेशली इट हैपन्स इन द मॉनसून सीजन, because this is a time when there is lot of rainfall in different part of the country. ठीक है, monsoon is the season when there is rainfall in different part of the country. So at this time there is excess of water in the river. You are living in city Varanasi. So have you observed in the rainy season, आप देखोगे मानसून सीजन में you will see lot of water in river Ganga. दिस थिंग यू विल नॉट ऑब्जर्व इन समर सीजन. समर सीजन में लगता है कि रिवर में वाटर बहुत लेस है, बट इन द मॉनसून सीजन द सेम रिवर, बट यू विल ऑब्जर्व excess of water or lot of water in the river. So during heavy rains, when the rivers start to overflow and submerge the surrounding area, it is said that a flood has occurred. So when we say that the flood occur, when there is excess of water in the river and that water overflow from the river and submerge the surrounding area. अगर एक आप कंटेनर ले लो या एक स्मॉल ग्लास ले लो, उसकी भी एक अपनी कैपेसिटी होती है. when it is full and after that again you are उसमें आप पानी डाल रहे हो, तो that water flows out from the glass. In the same manner, at the time of rainy season, there is excess of water, and this excess water from the river flows out and it submerges the surrounding area. जो रिवर के किनारे का जो एरिया, लैंड एरिया होगा, वो वाटर उसमें भी आ जाएगा. सो दैट एरिया इज सबमर्ज ड्यू टू रिवर वाटर, and this situation is known as student flood. So what is flood? I hope this is clear to all of you. Now next thing which we will discuss in this, that and what is the reason, what is the reason due to which the floods are coming in the river. Reason is, one of the reason, the most important reason is we start cutting the trees, and cutting of the tree is known as deforestation. This is also one of the main reason. Due to cutting of the trees is also a reason for the floods. Because student, what happened due to deforestation? Deforestation means cutting of trees. So student, what happened due to deforestation of trees? Due to deforestation of trees, the temperature rise. ठीक है, जब बहुत ज़्यादा पेड़ कटने लगे बेटा, तो टेम्परेचर क्या हुआ, अर्थ का जो है टेम्परेचर जो है वो राइज हो गया. एंड ड्यू टू दिस स्नो स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने इतने ज़्यादा इन्वेंशन कर लिए, अपनी लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल बना लिया है. सो ड्यू टू दीज ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़, ड्यू टू ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, सो टेम्परेचर जो एनवायरनमेंट का जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत राइज कर गया है. और व्हाट इज द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ दिस? द स्नो हैज स्टार्टेड टू मेल्ट फास्टर, एंड ड्यू टू दिस व्हेन द स्नो, क्योंकि आप लोग को पता ही है हाउ द रिवर्स आर फाउंड. रिवर्स आर फाउंड ड्यू टू द मेल्टिंग ऑफ ए ग्लेशियर्स. ये आप लोग को प्रीवियस चैप्टर में मैंने पढ़ाया है. ठीक है, तो जो पहाड़ है सबसे हाइट वाली, बिकॉज व्हेन वी स्टडी माउंटेन देन वी स्टडी इट इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. सो हिमाद्री, मिडल हिमालयस एंड शिवालिक. सो जो सबसे टॉप, जिनकी हाइट सबसे ज्यादा है, दीज आर ऑल कवर्ड विद स्नो. एंड व्हेन दीज स्नो ग्लेशियर मेल्ट्स, ड्यू टू दैट वाटर the rivers are formed. And when the temperature rises, then the rate of melting of the snow become fast, and due to this there is excess of water in the river, and it result, what is the, due to this excess of water, what happen, floods occur. जब रिवर्स में वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा होगा तो उससे क्या सिचुएशन होगी, बाढ़ आएगी. ठीक है. अब देखो, फ्लड्स ऑल्सो ऑकर व्हेन द वाटर लेवल इन अ नाउ लीक डेवलप इन द डैम. नाउ दिस इज अनदर थिंग. डैम, see, when we are talking about the past time, at that time the farmers are totally depend upon the rain water, because excess of water we need at the time of cultivation. So student, so this is also man made thing. We made dams on the river because at the time of monsoon season, rainy season, there is excess of water in the river. So what we have done, we store that water by making the dam, and this store water is used by us for the cultivation also and many other things also. Is it clear? So जैसे एक सिंपल एग्जांपल ले लो, ऑल द टाइम when you open your tap, the water comes, because and that water you store in the tank. आपके हाउस में एक टैंक होगी, टंकी होगी जिसमें वाटर स्टोर रहता है, एंड दैट वाटर यू यूज फॉर द होल डे. तो इन दिस मैनर वी स्टोर द वाटर. So in the same manner, at the time of a monsoon, there is excess of water in the river. So we human beings, because dams are man-made thing, we made dams on the rivers, because in the monsoon season there is excess of water in the river, and we store this excess of water in the dam, and this water is used for the different activities, especially for the cultivation also, for making the electricity also. Okay, देखो जैसे राजस्थान, अब प्रेजेंट टाइम में बात करें तो राजस्थान में भी अब कल्टिवेशन अच्छी होने लगी है. व्हाट इज द रीजन? नाउ इन प्रेजेंट टाइम द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ ए राजस्थान इज changed due to Indira Canal, because there is a dam, Bhakra Nangal Dam, and that water is supplied to the Rajasthan. So dam is the also another reason, क्योंकि बेटा जब एक्सेस वाटर डैम में स्टोर हो जाता है तो हमें उसे ओपन भी करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो बाई चांस अगर डैम ब्रेक हो गया तो बहुत से लोग मर जाएंगे, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा वाटर उसमें स्टोर होता है एट ए टाइम. इफ द डैम ब्रेक, देन व्हाट्स हैपन, लॉट ऑफ पीपल लॉस देयर लाइफ आल्सो, एंड मे बी सम टाइम ड्यू टू लीकेज ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द डैम आल्सो. दिस इज आल्सो द रीजन फॉर द फ्लड्स. So now next is and excess water at time of a monsoon time we store in the dam, and when the situation of a flood occur, when the water of the dam is higher than the danger mark and leak develops in the dam. डैम की भी एक कैपेसिटी होती है कि वो इतना ही इस लेवल से ऊपर वाटर नहीं स्टोर कर पाता है. फिर आफ्टर that water start coming out from the dam, and this is also the reason for the flood. Thank you student.